Today, I'll talk on mastering work-life balance 30 days to a healthier you. Today is the first day. Why work-life balance feels impossible and how to fix it. This is designed for mid-career professionals, artists, and creators. The truth they never told you about work-life balance. If you feel exhausted, overwhelmed, or stuck in a cycle of endless work, it is not your fault. Science proves that the way we have been taught to manage work and life is completely broken. But today, I shall show you how to fix it backed by real research. A few days ago, I ended my 30 days, 30 episodes on a different topic, that is early signs and identification of burnout. From today onwards, I'll talk for 30 days on 30 episodes on my new topic, mastering work-life balance 30 days to a healthier you. So, welcome back to my 30 days and 30 episodes on the new topic, mastering work-life balance 30 days to a healthier you. What you shall learn today. By the end of this video, you shall discover why traditional work-life balance is a myth and how it's setting you up for failure. The second thing that you will learn, 3 hidden mistakes that mid-career professionals, artists, and creators make. And the third, 3 science-backed strategies to reclaim your time, energy, and focus. Hey, who am I? I am Sagar Kumar Dey, a best-selling author specializing in mental resilience and burnout prevention. I help professionals recognize burnout early and take practical steps to protect their well-being. Are you ready to break free from burnout? Let us dive in. Try to understand the big problem. The big problem is why work-life balance feels impossible. Have you ever felt like no matter how much you plan, schedule, or organize, you are still exhausted? This is because modern work culture is flawed. Research from Stanford University found that working beyond 50 hours a week actually makes you less productive, and beyond 55 hours, your performance collapses entirely. Overworking doesn't just tire you, it makes you worse at your job. But why do so many of us feel stuck in this cycle? Let us break down the 3 biggest mistakes. The 3 hidden work-life balance mistakes. Number 1 mistake, thinking more hours is equal to more success. We have been conditioned to believe that working longer is equal to achieving more. But science disagrees. McKinsey and Company in the year 2020 found that 60% of a professional's workday is wasted on non-essential tasks like emails, meetings, and admin work. How do you fix it? Apply the 80-20 rule according to Pareto's principle. Focus only on the 20% of tasks that brings 80% of your results and drop the rest. Second mistake, work guilt is destroying your productivity. Many professionals feel guilty taking breaks, but research proves that rest boosts performance. Harvard Business School in the year 2020 found that professionals who fully disconnect during breaks see a 31% rise in productivity and lower the stress. How do you fix it? Use hard stops, set strict non-work hours, and treat them as sacred as your work meetings. Second mistake, trying to balance everything daily. What is the spoiler? High performers don't aim for daily balance. They work in structured cycles. MIT Sloan Management Review in the year 2021 found that professionals who work in focused sprints followed by strategic recovery are 40% less likely to burn out. Fix it. Plan your work in deep focus bursts followed by complete recovery days. Here are 3 work-life balance hacks that actually work. First hack, work in seasons, not daily balance. Instead of trying to balance every day, think in work-life season. Harvard Business Review in 2019 found that professionals who structured work this way reduced burnout by 32%. Second hack, the priority pyramid method. Replace overwhelming to-do lists with a three-level systems. First level, essentials. Deep creative works like writing, designing, and coding can be said to be essentials. Second is the important maintenance tasks like emails and meetings. And the lowest and the third level is the low impact, busy work like admin, social scrolling. Cal Newport in 2016 found that prioritizing deep work boosts efficiency by 40%. Third hack, take a creative reset day weekly. Instead of mindless scrolling, try a nature walk, boosts creativity by 30% as per Stanford in 2015. Reading inspiring books, a pressure-free hobby. Neuroscience shows creative insights happen when your brain is at rest. There are the main takeaways. Overworking kills productivity, means more hours is not equal to better results. Second, breaks are essential for long-term success and mental health. True balance is about structured cycles, not daily perfections. Here is a call to action for you. Which hack do you need the most? Drop a comment below. If this helped, like, subscribe, and turn on notification so you don't miss my second day on the invisible overwork trap. Why you are exhausted even when are not working. Thank you very much.